Hi guys, this is Chika with BorrowedDelights.com, and today we are making my sauteed spinach. So in my frying pan here, I have some oil that I'm heating over medium-high heat, and to this I'm going to add in my sliced onions. You're going to want to cook your onions for about 2 minutes or until they start to become translucent. And you guys will be able to find the full recipe for my sauteed spinach by visiting BorrowedDelights.com. I will leave the link to my site in the description box below for you guys, so be sure to check it out. So once your onions have cooked for about 2 minutes, you're going to go ahead and add in some grated or minced garlic. I used a total of 3 cloves of garlic for this recipe, and you're just going to stir that in. Next, I'm adding in 1/3 of a chicken bouillon cube, and I just added some oil to this so that I can melt it a bit, and I'm going to stir that into my onions. And if you guys are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any of the upcoming recipes that are going to be posted. Alright, so once the chicken bouillon has been mixed in with the onions, you're going to season with some black pepper and give that a stir. And then lastly, you're going to add in your spinach. So I used 1 whole 450 gram container of spinach. You're going to add your spinach in and turn the heat to medium-low. Place the lid on top. Allow this to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then just give everything a stir to mix everything together. And your sauteed spinach is done. That's it. This is a super quick and easy recipe. It is a really delicious side dish. You can have this with chicken and rice. You could have this alongside some barbecue ribs and potatoes. So good, so delicious, and so easy. So I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.